वेलकम टू आवर चैनल माइंड पोर्टल। माइंड पोर्टल के क्यूज वीडियो में हम जो आज क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करने वाले हैं ये आपके अपकमिंग बीपीएससी एमडीओ माइनिंग एग्जाम 2025 के लिए हेल्पफुल है। तो वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले। ऑल्सो बेल आइकन पे क्लिक कर ले फॉर अपकमिंग क्यूज वीडियो नोटिफिकेशन। Which municipality works for a smaller urban area? Option 1 Gram Panchayat, Option 2 Municipal Corporation, Option 3 Municipal Council, and Option 4 Zilla Parishad. And the correct answer is Option 3 Municipal Council. Education Day is celebrated in remembrance of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. When is Education Day celebrated in Bihar? Option 1 11 November, Option 2 10th October, Option 3 15th November, and Option 4 12th October. And the correct answer is Option 1 11 November. In which district of Bihar is Anupam Lake located? Option 1 Kaimur, Option 2 Bhagalpur, Option 3 Munger, and Option 4 Vaisali. And the correct answer is Option 1 Kaimur. Who was the founder of Seth dynasty in Bihar? Option 1 Bhojraj, Option 2 Raja Narayan, Option 3 Harraj, and Option 4 Sangram Dev. And the correct answer is Option 1 Bhojraj. In which district of Bihar Gunavaji, the holy place of Jain followers, is located? Option 1 Patna, Option 2 Bhagalpur, Option 3 Darbhanga, and Option 4 Nalanda. And the correct answer is Option 4 Nalanda. Under which act Bihar State Road Transportation Corporation was set up? Option 1 Road Safety Act 1950, Option 2 Road Transport Corporation Act 1950, Option 3 Road Transport Corporation Act 1945, and Option 4 Road Safety Act 1940. And the correct answer is Option 2 Road Transport Corporation Act 1950. Under whose reign Mauryan Empire extended its control over most of the regions of South Asia? Option 1 Bimbisara, Option 2 Asoka, Option 3 Ajatasattu, and Option 4 Chandragupta Maurya. And the correct answer is Option 2 Asoka. Gurudwara Pahila Bara is dedicated to which Sikh Guru? Option 1 Guru Hari Gobind, Option 2 Guru Tegh Bahadur, Option 3 Guru Gobind Singh, and Option 4 Guru Nanak Dev. And the correct answer is Option 4 Guru Nanak Dev. Which ministry has launched the Green Hydrogen Certification Scheme of India? Option 1 Ministry of Power, Option 2 Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Option 3 Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, and Option 4 Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. And the correct answer is Option 3 Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Which country is the host of Asian Games 2026? Option 1 India, Option 2 Japan, Option 3 Indonesia, and Option 4 China. And the correct answer is Option 2 Japan. माइंड पोर्टल ऐप पे बीपीएससी एमडीओ माइनिंग एग्जाम 2025 के लिए टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अवेलेबल हैं। ऑनलाइन क्लासेस एंड टेस्ट सीरीज का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए गए हैं। लिंक पे क्लिक करके आप टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस परचेज कर सकते हैं।